Oh baby, what's going on guys? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13 and I am excited to share with you this most recent build, these absolutely gorgeous assemblies. This is for a 2020 Hyundai Kona EV, and the most exciting part about this is the first Hyundai Kona in the world with a projector retrofit that I know of, and I'm pretty confident in that because this has a one-piece cast aluminum projector assembly, so that's a pretty advanced retrofit. So I don't think any hobbyists or DIYers have taken on this build. However, I of course was not scared to, and I did it. Really exciting fun fact is that Custom Brackets and Design, CBD, has gotten involved. He is currently developing a bracket for this vehicle and the next generation Kona. So by the time you watch this, you might actually have a better option. This is a Morimoto MD2S projector. As you can see, it is just super flushed in there. It looks perfect. I'm super happy with it. I did the ByThirteen lens etching on it, of course, because it's by me. I'm going to be running a 50-watt HID system, which is going to be supremely more powerful than the OEM halogen projector and even better than the OEM LED reflectors. It will be a fully street legal DOT compliant beam output pattern. By the way, that is a bi-xenon assembly, meaning this is going to be both the standard low beam and has a shield that drops down, so that becomes a high beam as well. In the high beam location, you can see that we've got a Diode Dynamics SSC1 Pro Series spot beam configuration LED pod. That is just one bad mamma jamma of an LED pod. It is a 2" by 2" square to really accent this line right here. I originally wanted to do a laser module in there. I've done lasers in the past. However, that product is now discontinued. So this was my next drop down option. It was a little bit more difficult to mount it in there, but it was well worth it because as you can see, it just looks really cool. This is a pretty boring headlight housing. So I did a fully blacked out interior, and then I very carefully and tastefully chose where to put the green accent lines. And last but not least, we have to have some color changing effects. So if you haven't noticed already, up along the top, I have inlaid a very long set of RGBW UCS 12 volt addressable products. So this is going to be able to do animations. Actually, why am I talking about it? Because let's get to showing it off then, right? First thing I'm going to do is just turn them on white. As you can see, they are under there and they are extremely bright. Since these headlights are mounted fairly low on the vehicle, about knee height, I'm taking a very different approach, something I've never done before, which is just to go for ambient lighting inside of the housing. So the intention is not to be able to see these strips. The intention is just to have the headlight housing illuminated. So right now you can see it on white. If I do it onto a green or a blue, that's the idea, right? Again, these are addressable, so they can do animations. You kind of won't be able to see this in the daylight because again, it's not direct light. It's just going to be light bouncing around inside of the housing. Since I love showing off my Christmas effects, here it is, which is the green and the red being chased by a white dot. And last but not least, I'd love to showcase this headlight output here for you. And up on the wall in the middle of the day, you can see that absolutely gorgeous beam output pattern. That is what you want to be able to see. Really excited about having these installed on the car and how they're going to perform and how they're going to look. It wasn't enough just to be the first retrofit out there. I had to make one awesome headlight build for a Hyundai Kona. Okay, I'd say that about wraps it up. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description, so be sure to check that out. All build inquiries must be submitted via the form on the website. I would love to be able to build these and ship these for people. I think this is a really great platform. As always, I just want to thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye!